Yo guys, Paunchy here, and today I'm going to show you a little trick on the Octatrack that came out recently in an update. It is called Tempo per Pattern. It was an update released back in December, and let's go. Okay, so I don't know if this was super obvious for some of you guys, but for whatever reason, for me, it was super not obvious. Now, again, this was an update that came out back in December. I had figured out how to do it back then, and then since then, recently, I found myself starting a new project. Yeah, I know, I was on the same project for weeks. But I started a new project. I realized I had no idea how to set it back to tempo per pattern. It was stuck on project per tempo. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. It's super simple. It's so simple, some might say that it's just, yeah, complicated. So all you have to do is press tempo, brings up the tempo screen, and then you see project and pattern over there. Right now I do have it on pattern. But the way to switch it back is to simply press function and yes. As you can see, it switches back to project. Bam, I want to leave it on pattern. So, yeah, honestly, I couldn't find anything on this. There were no like forum posts or anything that said how to do it exactly. There's no videos really that show just this part. There's a couple videos on some of the update stuff, but beyond that, yeah, there's no video about it. So here you guys go. Hope it helped you. I hope you didn't need this video. I hope it was obvious. But if you did get value out of this video, smash that like button. Hit subscribe if you want more videos. And I'll see you in a few days with another video.